Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm gonna go back to a technique that I loved. I did make it once, but I did try another experiment with it. I think I did a swipe, then I did a push over, something like that. I don't remember, but I know that I didn't do just the swipe. Now we're gonna do a double, if not a triple swipe. I think it's one of the best technique, which I like the most. I should say, I think it's the most interesting because it gives you a soft render, a soft finish to the work. So listen, like always, it's always a question of taste, but like I said, it's one that I like the most. So let's go and see it, and I'm going to put a lot of Floetrol in our acrylic plus the water, like always, but I'm going to keep the acrylic a little bit more thick than usual. So we'll see what happens, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Well guys, as I'm speaking to you, I just finished it, but I think just for now, it's so nice the way the finish is. It's so soft. I think it's one of the softer results when you do it layer by layer like we did. I think it's the best way to go about it. Well, again, like we said before, it's a question always of taste, it's subjective, but I think it's a nice way to go about it. I hope it's going to stay as is. You know, one of the reasons for me it looked that great and it's softer, it's because since we did our acrylic a little bit more thicker, the layer are stay, of course, a little bit thicker, so there's more reaction between them when we do our swipe. Since we did over 4 swipe, I think that's one of the reasons we have such a nice mix of all the colors. So again, question of taste, but I really like this technique. I think it's one of the techniques which give us the most soft finish. You have to try it. You have to try it on your own to see what you like. Of course, you can play on the different colors. It's gonna give you each time something different, that's for sure. So that's the nice thing about it. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope, like I said, you're gonna try it because it's a very nice technique. Simple, but yet very nice. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.